Anayeongoza zaidi ni Nuru, Inspekta Nuru Ahmed, upande wa Kenya Prisons. Inspekta Walter Tugui, Drum Major akiwa ni Sergeant Ochoa. Nao ndio hao wanakuja wakiongozwa na Chief Inspector Thomas. Na kuna mahali wametengewa pale kule upande wangu wa kushoto, wataenda na kiti.
Matajiri masikini sisi sote binadamu, tusahau majivuno na tuache kupayuka, tusahau majivuno na tuache kupayuka.
Business is the key, innovation is the game changer. Hapa Kisumu ni kazi tu. Tourists, welcome to Kisumu City, the land of progress, the true reflection of development agenda.
Wananchi wa Kisumu kweli tujivunia, jiji letu ni jiji la kupendeza. Amani tunaishi pamoja na watu wote wenye amani. Amani ni nguzo yetu. Tuwakaribisha wenye biashara na watalii wote, karibuni Kisumu dada. Wabingele kuduma wakiendura mogibende.
Mungu twaomba
Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana Jerusalema ikayalami ilondoloze uhambe nami zungangishilana dawo yami ayikholana buso wami awukholana ilondoloze zuhambe nami dawo yami ayikholana.
Kuona tu kulani zako tazijua lengo lako twalijua tu kulani zako twazijua.
When you hear that there is a road being built, we want to be the construction workers. When you hear there is a job being given, let's take and do the tenders that are being provided. So we would like to be grateful to the national government and the county government for all the development work, and let's match up their pace. Tumeona wamefanya kazi, sisi pia tujitolee tufanye kazi.
Mine is a short duty to introduce our hero in here, Mrs. Diana Helda Opondo. We have these presidential national awards and honors for the patriotic Kenyans who have done excellent duties, exemplary work performance, selflessness, and a dedication in building our nation. The president has seen it worthwhile, and she is given that national honors and awards.
Amekuita nyang'au, amekuita mnyonyaji, naye yazidi kuporomoka, wacha yeye yaporomoke. Naye yazidi kuporomoka, wacha yeye yaporomoke. Ewe Kenya inji yangu, ewe Kenya baba yangu, ewe Kenya mama yangu, sitakuacha milele. Kenya wewe baba yangu, Kenya wewe.
We have given good attributes to this nation. So salimia jirani yako, umwambie you are a hero. The quest to liberate our nation and our land was fueled by the desire to drive hunger, ignorance, and disease and employment from our midst. The first lesson from our liberation heroes is that if it's got to be, it's got to be me.
Niko hapa siku ya leo kwa niaba ya gavana wetu Professor Peter Anyang' Nyong'o. We gather here today, this 57th commemoration day of the heroes that gave life to this great nation called Kenya. We must always remember that the conduct of their lives remain examples for us how to work towards unifying this nation and building the foundations for ensuring that this country grows stronger in every sense. Stronger in food security, stronger in baking a bigger cake for the growing population and building systems that can respond and deal with emerging issues of the day, such as the novel coronavirus. It has since been the most vicious war that we have fought as a nation since the independence struggle. This war has showed us that we have real heroes among us. Today we raise our hearts to the frontline respondents and those who have encountered and defeated this faceless enemy. Our concerted effort as a county has been recognized. So far, we have recorded 853 cases, 12 mortalities, accounting for 1.89% and 1.43% respectively of the total Kenyan cases. But can we sit pretty as a county? Again, the answer is no. This is the time that we are called upon as a people to show our heroism by ensuring that as a people we follow the laid down procedures and the preventive protocols to the letter. It is indeed sad that we are experiencing a marked rise in the new cases as of today. This is a direct pointer that we may have relaxed our observance of the measures that ensure that we remained a beacon of hope as a county against this pandemic. The pandemic and other challenges have shown us the perplexity, not knowing which direction to take. But our strength will remain our character, ladies and gentlemen, our patriotism, our passion, and our love for our flag. This is engraved in our national anthem that continues to drive us forward. But through this maze, we should be able to deliver on things that do not only make us worthy of the present, but plant seeds that would make us worthy of inheritance of a bright future for all of us. In the process of crafting our constitutional fabric, we acknowledge as a country and as a county our failure to live to the dictates of the Constitution to enact the 2/3 gender law. But this failure makes us remember vividly that the heroism of women potential trailblazers like Mama Grace Onyango, Mama Phoebe Asio, Mama Jael Mbogo, and today Mama Mrs. Opondo. These women trailblazers have shown us the real power of a woman. We celebrate and honor them. That is why for us in Kisumu, we did not wait for the enactment of the 2/3 gender rule to recognize their achievements. We did it in our own small way. Mama Grace Onyango's name shall forever be etched in the books of our history by the renaming of Kisumu Social Hall to Mama Grace Onyango Social Center. As we remember the young heroes of this era, those whose blood has watered this tree of prosperity, we remember baby Pendo, Samantha Pendo, and other young souls whose lives have counted for the democratic gains that we enjoy today. We celebrate the achievements of Engineer Albert Ouma from Nyakach Sub-County, the energy manager of Coop Bank, for his nomination as the Sub-Saharan Manager of the Year. Together, God bless Kenya. God bless the county of Kisumu. Thank you. Signed, Professor Peter Anyang' Nyong'o, Governor, the great county of Kisumu. We are looking forward to a new Kenya, born out of the new initiative of His Excellency the President and the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. All the time that you've been on the trenches, God is finally saying that time that we must think together as a country is now. Kwa hivyo mnaitwa kila mmoja muingie kwa meli, si ni kweli? Ili tuvuke twende wapi? Twende Kanani. Lakini tunaona wengine wanakuja kupotosha watu, wanasema ati wacha kuingia kwa meli, chukua wheelbarrow. Ati wacha kuingia kwa meli, baiskeli ndio hii. Wacha kuingia kwa meli, chukua mkokoteni. I want to send a warning to our youth of Kisumu. You couldn't have fought that long only to be rewarded with a wheelbarrow or with a hand cut or with anything like that.